Hi, this is Zach and Issy from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and today we're going to continue our videos on binary. Last time we worked on the base 10 system, which the video for that is linked below. Now we're going to work on the base 2 system, which consists of the numbers 0 and 1. For example, we have the number 1011. So the base 2 system is very similar to the base 10 system. In the base 10 system, we use 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, and so on. Now instead of 10, we'll use 2. So we have 2 to the power of 0 times 1 equals 1. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 0 times 1 equals 1. 2 to the power of 1 times 1 equals 2. 2 to the power of 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 to the power of 3 times 1 equals 8. So let's go over what we did back there. So the number 0 in binary means false, no, or off. The number 1 in binary means true, yes, or on. So the number 1011, let's go over that. So if we have a 1 over, for example, 2 to the power of 0, then we use whatever 2 to the power of 0 equals. So 2 to the power of 0 equals 1, which we're going to use. And then, since we have a 1 over 2 to the power of 1, then 2 to the power of 1 equals 2, and we use that too. But since we have a 0 over 2 to the power of 2, then we don't use 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. But since we have a 1 over 2 to the power of 3, we use that, and 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. So now we sum up the numbers with the 1 over them. So we have 8 plus 2 plus 1. And that equals 11. So now we converted that binary number into the decimal system. Now, let's see what other numbers in binary equal in the decimal system. So we have the number 0000, which is in binary, and the number 0000 in the decimal system is equal to 0. That's because you have a 0 over, 2 to the power of 0 and 2 to the power of 1. So that's why it's equal to 0. So now we can go over the number 0001. And in the decimal system, that equals 1. That's because we have a 1 over 2 to the power of 0. And 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So now the number is 0010. Since we have a 1 over 2 to the power of 1, then that equals 2, because 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. Now let's do 0011. So now we have a 1 over 2 to the power of 0 and 2 to the power of 1. So 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, and then 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we add those, and we get 3. Thank you for watching our video on binary. Next we'll go over what bits are. And remember, if you like our videos, please share, like, and subscribe.